Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told after alcohol is fully absorbed into the body, it is metabolized with a half-life of about 1.5 hours. Suppose you've had 3 alcoholic drinks, and an hour later, at midnight, your blood alcohol concentration, BAC, is 0.6 milligrams per milliliter. So in part A, we're asked to find an exponential decay model for the BAC t hours after midnight. So we have our function, right, which is modeling this situation. Let's call it f of t. The form for an exponential decay is you take the original value, which here is 0.6, our concentration at midnight, times the rate of change, right, and not a linear rate of change here, an exponential, right, literally the fractional amount or multiple of that you get every 1.5 hours, which here is a half-life, so we're multiplying by 0.5, not every hour, which this would represent, right? 0.6 times 0.5 to the t is just representing starting at 0.6 and every hour multiplied by 0.5. We have to make it so that we only multiply by 0.5 every 1.5 or 3/2 hours. And what we do is multiply t by 2/3 in order to do so. Therefore, for example, 1.5 hours in, we have 3/2 times 2/3. We multiply by 0.5 to the 1. At 3 hours, we need to have it again, and that works out because 3 times 2/3 is 2. So this is 0.5 squared. So we're multiplying by 0.5 twice. We're halving it twice. So this is our model, 0.6 times 0.5 to the 2t over 3. So we're asked to graph the BAC and use it to determine when the BAC is 0.08 milligrams per milliliter. So we have this graph pulled up here, and we can see, graphing in Desmos, that we have this general exponential decay. We start up here at 0.6, and it decreases until it becomes basically 0. So, at what point is it equal to 0.08? Well, I've also graphed this blue line, y equals 0.08, and the point at which they intersect is the point when the value of the function is 0.08. And we can see that happens at a value of 4.36, which means, based off of our graph, that at 4.36 hours, the value of the function, and therefore the BAC, is equal to 0.08.